people they are.
Hey, Hagrid! Hi, Fluffy!
Looks like you've lost power.
Oh boy. Yeah!
Don't worry. We're powerful.
Whoa!
Sorry, I never was great shakes at magic.
I can tell. Oh no.
Oh, Craigie, you're tangled in devil's snare. Repeat, Lumos Salem after me. Lumos
Salem! Lumos Salem! Whoa!
I was close. Oh, you found my missing screws. Best be getting you out of here before you get blasted.
No!
Now, hit those purple buttons.
Okay.
Rapid fire.
I love this one.
I'll be. There's a unicorn. And look, she's a mum. Ruddy lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild. But Merlin's beard, we did see Pixie, Scroots, and unicorns.
Aww.
And I'd be grateful if you didn't mention any of this to anyone back at Hogwarts. See you next lesson.